whether for prototypes or production, the surface finish you choose could make or break your project. It's not just about shape and tolerance. It's about durability, corrosion resistance, visual appeal, and end-use performance. In this video, we walk you through how to choose the right surface finish for aluminum based on how the part will be used. A freshly machined aluminum part looks clean, but it's not always ready for real use. Tool marks, micro scratches, and exposed alloy surfaces can lead to uneven wear, oxidation, or surface imperfections over time. That's why surface finishing isn't optional. It's essential. It transforms a raw machined part into a fit-for-purpose component. If you want to remove machining marks, get a uniform, non-reflective texture, and prepare the surface for further treatment, bead blasting or sandblasting is often the first step. It smooths out surface irregularities and provides a consistent base texture that also improves coating or anodizing adhesion. Use this when the part will be exposed to wear or when you want a professional-looking matte finish right off the machine. For parts that need corrosion resistance, surface hardness, color options, and long-term durability, anodizing is often the best choice. Aluminum housings, electronics enclosures, outdoor components, or parts exposed to moisture or wear. But be aware, anodizing adds a thin oxide layer. This can slightly change dimensions. Holes get smaller, surface gets thicker, so if your part is high precision, tolerances must be adjusted accordingly. And before anodizing, surface prep matters a lot. Scratches or marks will show through the finish. Surface cleaning, bead blasting, or pre-treatment is critical. When the goal is visual appeal, smooth touch, or premium appearance, polishing aluminum to a mirror finish gives you glossy, reflective results. This works well when you don't need additional coatings and the part doesn't have to be roughened for adhesion. What is the part's environment? Indoor, outdoor, wet, dry. If exposure to moisture, salt air, or chemicals, consider anodizing. Is the part structural or visible? For invisible housings or heavy-use parts, bead blasting plus anodizing may give the best balance of durability and cost. Is appearance a selling point? For products exposed to customers, polishing or decorative anodizing helps stand out. At Egan Hardware, we guide you through these decisions. We machine, finish, and deliver aluminum parts tailored to your project needs, from functional parts to aesthetic components. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.